Ladies and gentlemen, here she is, Her Royal Majesty Scimitar. It's a Kevin Precious car, but that holds that you are looking at, that's a Peugeot diesel that somebody put it inside. And it was working for a while until Kevin John burned the head. That's the reason why you can see that holes. And then we made, actually, I forced him to make a decision to fuck off this engine out, and we're going to put original V6 inside. That's all what I want to say about this car. And now, ta-da, Kevin John.
What am I going to say? Yeah, right. So yeah, this is my scimitar. My idea with before was to keep the diesel engine in, just because it was cheap on diesel, but the price of diesel these days is not even worth it. But head was cracked, so it was pointless keeping it. It's such an old engine anyway. I don't know how many miles it's done. I don't know what car it came from. She's rear-wheel drive, so it probably came from an LDV van, so it was probably hammered to shit before that. Yeah, so this is coming out Monday, and I'm going to stick the V6 in there. It's the Cologne engine from the red one, if you saw the video earlier. So yeah, it should be easy enough. I've got everything from the red one to swap back over. Like I said before in the last video, the red one's going to have a V8 Chevy engine in it. So yeah, so this is all ready to come out now. I'm going to keep the pump. Like I bought all new pulleys and stuff for the timing belt, so I'm going to keep all them in case I come across another 1.9 turbo diesel Peugeot engine. I think they came in the early Peugeot partner as well, so they'll be a bit moderner than this one. Yeah, so yeah, it needs a lot of work. Somebody's cut the shit out of the bulkhead to fit this lump in. So I don't know what the fuck to do here. I'm going to probably cut all this shit off. You can see they stuck tech screws and stuff in there. So yeah, I'll have to re-fiberglass all this, and I'm going to strip all the engine bay and paint that before we start doing the outside. Yeah, that's about it. It's nothing. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at this sexy. What's that? Clutch pipe. It's a nice kink there, and there's a wibbly wobbly bit there going right down to the clutch cylinder, and there's a nice wibbly wobbly one going down to the brake cylinder. Yeah. So this is the exhaust pipe. This is the exhaust pipe on the turbo. Look, as you can see, what a fucking mess. Why they put that in, I don't know. It was leaking, turbo was whistling and whining, but yeah, I did hammer the shit out of it, so that's probably why it blew up. Oh well. That's about it anyway. In the next video you'll see the engine will be out. I'll take the V6 engine, do the head gasket. Oh, you fucked it, huh?
Yeah, you broke the lid, and now the ventilator hits the top of the lid. Now you have to fix this shit. Look, it's broken. Look at the sound.
Well, leave it then.
Huh?
Fucking leave it then.
Fuck's sake, he broke the...
Fuck's sake. Fucking girls. Right, that's it. Thanks. See ya.